Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you're stuck in a rut? YouBazz can help. Once you join our platform, you'll have the opportunity to start making money today and achieve the financial freedom you've always dreamed of.
This is how I made $40,000 in 3 months with dropshipping.
I make around 50 to 70 to 80K a month doing e-commerce.
The first month, I made 10K in a month. I was ecstatic.
What's up, boys? Made around $430 trading today. There's the proof as always.
I turned $4,000 into $1.4 million in about 2 years.
So I made $3,000 today. I'm obviously a successful business owner. I know what I'm doing. Like, this is not the most I've made in a day. Probably like maybe 15,000.
I made $502 overnight when I went
$8,094.86 in my first month of generating income online in affiliate marketing. That's only $2,000 shy of $10,000.
I made almost $80,000 last week from my side hustle that has now turned into my main hustle, and this week I'm currently sitting at $67,000.
Our members are seeing real results and transforming their lives. You can too. Join YouBazz and start earning income today.